are in Port Aransas, Texas. We are at the beach. We are at White Cap Beach actually right now, but we are staying in Port Aransas, and we're probably gonna go fishing a little bit later, cook up some burgers, just a good old time. So join me for my adventure. Let's go.
Don't rate us. People are
Scrumptious eggs. Oh no. This is what I like right here.
I haven't ate those little
weenies?
sausages in a long time.
Only the big ones.
Shut
White cups, like
Yeah.
plastic.
I had saw some at the corner store, but they're $13.99, so I was like, hell no. The plastic ones.
What little You know what time it is? Oh my God! How am I gonna open it? Ah, I need a bottle opener. Yep. Got it on the first try. Huh?
Where's your plate?
Now my daughter Nevaeh ended up doing karaoke for the first time, but due to copyright, I can't show the song or play the song, but you could kind of hear it in the background. I just don't want to get flagged. So enjoy this video. Long day, great day. It's time to go to bed. See you on the next vlog. Lift off.